Got a follow-up on a story we brought you over the holidays. We're talking about that NOPAIN Act. This is proposed federal legislation. It's being considered by Congress, but it could kind of put restrictions on doctors. At the same time, though, it's trying to make it easier for doctors to prescribe non-opioid alternatives, less addictive, for pain management for patients.
Fox 4's Rochelle Aline brought you that story last time. Tonight, though, she's talking to the chronic pain community about their concerns for this bill. She joins us now from the control room. Rochelle?
You know, Jane and Patrick, after I posted that story online, I was slammed with responses from the chronic pain community. Some of them telling me they don't mind that the government is trying to regulate opioids for people who might potentially become addicted, but they're concerned that they will become an unintended side effect and lose out on opioids that they actually need. I spoke with one woman who lives in Punta Gorda and shared some of her concerns.
It's like, for me, a huge toothache, like a dull, burning, constant, gnawing, nerve-ending root pain, kind of.
For Deborah Allig, that's the best way she can describe the chronic pain she's lived with for 17 years.
If I want to make soup, let's say, I'll come out, cut an onion. If it's real bad, I'll go back to bed and lay down for a half hour.
It started with back pain and then hip pain. One spinal fusion and a hip replacement later, and the aching is still there. Over the years, she's been prescribed different treatments and has found that opioids work best to give her some quality of life. But she says recent crackdowns on those opioids have left chronic pain sufferers like her dealing with random drug tests, decreasing doses, and sometimes being mislabeled as addicted.
Am I dependent on my medication? Yes, because otherwise I'd be in bed and I'd be crying.
She says that's why proposed federal laws like the NOPAIN Act give her pause. Those who back the bill say if passed, it would make it easier for doctors to prescribe non-opioid pain management to patients dealing with acute pain.
The only thing that the legislation does is it says that we think providers and patients deserve choices like they do in many other healthcare decisions, and we think pain should be no different.
Still, some living with chronic pain say they'd rather keep the government out of their medical decisions.
You go back to regular doctors treating patients. They diagnose and treat, not our legislators, not the government, but our doctors.
For more information on this proposed law, you can visit our website, fox4now.com. In the control room, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.